How to practice English every day, even if you're busy. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Humming Space. This is your space to grow your English step by step, with confidence, calmness, and a smile. Today we are talking about something extremely important: how to practice English every single day, without feeling tired, stressed, or confused. Most learners think, I need 2 hours every day. Or, I need to go abroad. Or, I need someone to practice with. But the truth is, you don't need any of that. You just need small, simple habits that fit into your busy life. So let's begin slowly, and let's learn together. 1. Listening. The habit that builds fluency. If you want to speak faster, clearer, and more naturally, you must listen more. Not once a week, not only in class. Every single day, you can listen to things that match your interest. English vlogs, simple news, motivational speeches. English learning channels, short stories, daily conversations, interviews. Even 10 minutes of listening daily makes a massive difference. For example, I like listening to travel vlogs because they use simple daily English like, let's walk over there. The weather feels fresh today. I think I'll try this food. These short lines help you speak naturally in real life. Don't aim to understand every word, aim to feel the language. 2. Shadowing, your secret weapon. Shadowing means copying the speaker's voice instantly, like an echo. Don't translate. Don't stop. Just repeat. Let me give you fresh new examples. I'm getting better every time I practice. Now you repeat. English is becoming a part of my daily routine. Now you repeat. I learn with curiosity, not pressure. Now you repeat. Shadowing improves your pronunciation, speed, and confidence all together. Just 5 minutes a day is enough. 3. Think in English. Start with tiny thoughts. Thinking in English is the biggest shortcut to fluency. Start very small. When you wake up, I should get out of bed. Let me open the window. What should I wear today? When you are cooking, the water is boiling. I need more salt. This smells nice. When you are outside, this road is crowded today. The shop is closed. I reached early today. These small thoughts build big fluency. Later, say them softly or whisper them. This trains your tongue and mind together. Read aloud, the best practice for clarity. Reading aloud makes your speaking smooth. You don't need difficult books. Simple English is more than enough. Choose a short story, a small poem, a paragraph from a blog, a motivational message, a children's storybook, a dialogue. Read it in 3 steps. Step 1. Slow. Focus on pronunciation. Example sentence. Every day is a new chance to improve. Step 2. Normal. Like speaking to a friend. Step 3. Expressive. Add emotion, tone, and rhythm. This improves your clarity, confidence, and flow. 5. Use English in your everyday life. Don't study English. Use English. Here are simple daily habits you can start from today. Change your phone language. Words like update, security, wallpaper, brightness become natural. Write a 3 to 5 sentence diary. Examples. I cleaned my room today. The weather was peaceful. I watched a short English video. Just 1 minute daily. Set English labels. Put small paper stickers on items: door, mirror, bottle, fridge, window. Your brain learns naturally. Record a 1-minute audio. Talk about what you're doing, what you learned, or how you feel. Read 1 English message daily. It could be an email, a comment, a quote, or a caption. Watch short videos and repeat. Repeat just 1 sentence per video. Small daily practice. Right pointing arrow, big fluency transformation. 6. Talk to yourself, the best free method. Yes, talk to yourself. You can practice in short bursts throughout the day. While cooking, I'm cutting the vegetables. I will make something simple today. While getting ready, I need to leave by 9. I hope traffic is less today. While cleaning, I will start from that corner. This won't take long. This is real life English. No pressure, no embarrassment, just natural practice. 7. Weekly mini challenges. To keep your motivation high, set one small challenge every week. Examples. Week 1. Shadow for 5 minutes daily. Week 2. Write a 3-line diary every night. Week 3. Learn 5 new daily use words. Week 4. Record a 30-second speaking video daily. These challenges build consistency and confidence. 8. Don't wait for the perfect time. Most learners say, I will start from tomorrow. I will start from next week. But English grows when you start today, for just 5 minutes. One small step every day is better than one big step once a month. You don't need perfection. You need consistency. English is not something outside you. It is something you build inside you, slowly, peacefully, with small daily habits. When English enters your phone, thoughts, voice, daily routine, small actions, fluency becomes natural. Don't push yourself. Just practice a little every day. I promise, you will see the results. Thank you for joining me today. I'll meet you in the next video. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep shining.